สัจวิสัย I am a student in พลสูง School and I will introduce my school. พลสูง School located in พลสูง Village, ปทุมราช District, 101 Province, Thailand. พลสูง School is a small school. There are 8 teachers for 83 students. Most of พลสูง students come from Malay Goa family and most of them are poor students. As the representative of พลสูง students, we are very pleased and appreciate your generosity. We are thank you very much for your support. God bless you. Thank you.
My name is Surasak Paisun. I am is director of พลสูง School. It's located in พลสูง Village, ปทุมราช District, 101 Province, Thailand. พลสูง School is small school. There are 8 teachers for 82 students. There are one school supply to help good learner and knowledge. We want the scholarship for them. The problem of พลสูง School and want to get support. 1. Two buildings was used 45 years over would like to be repaired. 2. พลสูง School is sport center of district level. The place is not available for use to do activity. 3. พลสูง School following sufficient economy of King Bhumibol such as Plough Fishing Farm, Para Rubber Tree, Dragon Fruit, Organic Vegetable, Bank School Management. Lastly, we use with two hearings from Ukraine very soon. Best regard. Thank you very much.